Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove background from a video on CapCut PC. Select the video that you want to remove the background from. I'll just select this one. Then you are going to select remove background and you're going to select auto removal. And it's as simple as that. If your background is a green screen like this, you're going to select the video instead and you're going to select chroma key, select the color picker and select the green area of the video. Then you're going to go to intensity and you're going to adjust it for like the edges, I guess. And you can also add in some shadows. You can also feather out the edge here and clean up edge, but those are pro features. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!